morning, dears. Yesterday we have learned how to write the numbers in expanded form, how to write it in standard form. Now when we were writing the numbers, some numbers were having more values and some numbers were having less values, is it? So how to compare these numbers? Even if two sisters mommy has given you the chocolate, 5 chocolate if she has given, and she has asked you to distribute among you two. So you are clever, then you'll give 2 chocolate to your sister and 3 you will keep, is it? It means you are having more than your sister, and your sister is having less than from you, is it? But if mommy has given you 6 chocolate, you'll divide among both of you, it will be divided equally. So here we'll be reading, we'll be comparing the numbers. As we know the symbol, this is less than, greater than and is equal to. When you get 3 chocolates, your sister got 2 chocolate, you got 3 chocolates, so your sister is less than you. When you get more 3 chocolate and your sister got 2 chocolate, then you are more than your sister. And when both of you get equal amount of chocolate, then both of you are equal, is it? So less than, greater than and is equal to, these 3 signs we will be using when we compare the numbers. Now let us see question number 1. They have given you 389 and 1983. So you have 4 digit, you have 3 digits. Surely the number 4 digit will be greater than the number 3 digit. Number B. This is A, 1A. You are having 38,496 and 78,942. Now here you have 5 digit numbers. This side also 5 digit, this side also 5 digit. So what to see? You see the numbers at the 10,000. 3, 7. So 7 is greater. So the number will be, sign will be like that, because 78 is greater than 38, is it? Look at number C. 4,01,067, and right side you have 4,01,604. Now both the side we have 6 digit numbers. We'll compare the digit. Lakhs place 4, 4, same. 10,000 place 0, 0, same. 1,000 place 1, 1, same. So when the digits are same, we'll be going on moving to the next digit, is it? Now see the 100 place 0, 6. So 6 is more than 0. So this will be greater than. Okay. In this way we compare the digit. We just compare from the last digit. We go and compare. Then we will get certain equation, certain equality. Number D. 8,285 and 8,199. Now you see the thousands place numbers are same. Come to the 100 place 2 and 1. So this is greater. Come to the last one. 1,01,010 and 1,00,100. Now you see, lakhs place is the same. Come to the 10,000 place is the same. Come to the thousands place 1, 0. So this side, this is greater. So this way we compare the numbers. Okay. Now in question number 2, they have asked you to write in ascending order. All of us we know ascending order means the number small to big. Now let us see 2A. It is given 1,221, 1,331, 1,551 and 1,441. Okay. Now the answer will be, I'll be using symbol even I have asked you is less than, 1331 is less than 1441 is less than 1551. So kindly use symbol. Try to learn with the symbol. Okay. Then number C, you look. It is given 38,274. Now you see between two numbers I am giving semicolon. Even in your book also they have given 48,921 because we are using commas for the writing the periods of the number. 1,23,017 and the finally is 98,217. Now what is the least number we have? 38,000, 48,000, 98,000. So this is 38,274 is less than 48,921 is less than 98,217 is less than 1,23,017. In this way, we write the numbers in ascending order. Is it? Similarly, if we write for descending order, the sign will be greater than. Okay. Let us see descending order. It is given 4,23,012, 5,93,842. Number 3, A, 4,23,012, 5,93,842. 17,349 and 9,304. Now greatest number 4 lakh, 5 lakh. So 5 lakh number, the number with 5 lakh is greatest. Is greater than 4,23,012 is greater than 17,349 is greater than 9,304. Is it? This way we write the descending order. Let us see number C. 1,08,005. Again 1,85,000. Again 1,08,005 and 1,85,000. Now you can see the lakh place is the same. 1 lakh everywhere. 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Come to the 10,000s place. 0,008. So this is the greatest number we have. So 1,85,000 is the greatest, is greater than. Next, come to the thousands place. 800. So this will be the next number. 1,08,005. Come to the next among this two. 1,10,000, 1,000 is the same. Come to the 100 place. 08. So this is greater. Is greater than, or here also you can write is greater than 1,85,000. This way we write the answer. Is it? So you have to complete up to question number 3. Ascending order, descending order and comparison already we have done. So if there is any doubt in writing ascending and descending, you can ask me in comment box. For today you leave it up to here. Thank you dears.